Thinking about moving to Jamaica? With its tropical climate that feels like an eternal summer, Jamaica is a paradise that calls to many. Imagine waking up every day to the sound of the ocean, the warmth of the sun, and the vibrant colors of nature all around you. But it's not just the weather that makes Jamaica so attractive. It's the culture, the history, and most importantly, the people. The Jamaican culture is as vibrant as the island itself, filled with music, dance, and a zest for life that's infectious. The history is rich, with stories of resilience and triumph that resonate deeply. And then there are the people, warm, friendly, and welcoming. Jamaica offers an array of terrains for you to explore, from the jaw-dropping beaches to the beautiful blue mountains. If the idea of living in Jamaica is starting to appeal to you, let's dive into the various visa and residency options available. Now, before packing your bags, it's important to understand the visa and residency options available. You see, to make your Jamaican dream a reality, you need to have the right paperwork in place. The island paradise offers a few main options for those looking to stay beyond a brief holiday. First up, we've got the tourist visa, a short-term option that's perfect for those who want to soak up the sun, sea, and culture. Then there's the work visa, designed for those who want to contribute to the Jamaican economy and culture. There is also a student visa for those who want to study in Jamaica. For those who have completely fallen in love with Jamaica or a Jamaican and can't imagine living anywhere else, permanent residency or a marriage visa is the way to go. And finally, for the lucky ones who are ready to enjoy a laid-back life post-career, there's the retirement residency option. Each of these options has its own rules and requirements, which we'll delve into in detail. Let's start by looking at the first option, the tourist visa. The tourist visa is the simplest option for those wanting to explore Jamaica before making a commitment. Now let's delve into what this means. The tourist visa is perfect for those who want a taste of the island life but aren't ready to dive in headfirst yet. It allows you to stay in Jamaica for up to 6 months. But remember, you'll need a return ticket as proof of your plan to leave when your stay is over. Now let's talk requirements. The good news is, they're pretty straightforward. All you need is a valid passport, completed immigration card, and as mentioned earlier, a return ticket. Additionally, depending on your country of origin, you may require a visa, so do check Jamaica's official website for specifics. But take note, folks, the tourist visa doesn't grant you the right to work in Jamaica. It's primarily for those looking to enjoy the beautiful beaches, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. Next, let's move on to the work visa. If you're planning to work in Jamaica, you'll need a work visa. This isn't just a ticket into the island paradise, but your passport to a new life filled with opportunities. To apply for a work visa, the first thing you'll need is a job offer from a Jamaican employer. This is an important requirement as it demonstrates to the authorities that your skills are needed and in demand. Once you have this, you'll need to fill out the necessary paperwork, which includes an application form and several supporting documents. These documents typically include your passport, proof of your job offer, and sometimes medical records. It's also essential to remember that fees apply and these can vary, so be sure to check the latest information. The application process can take some time, so it's recommended to apply well in advance of your planned arrival in Jamaica. For those considering making Jamaica their permanent home, the next two options might be of interest. Permanent residency and retirement residency are options for those who've fallen in love with Jamaica and wish to make it their forever home. Let's dive right into the fascinating world of permanent residency first. This is a fantastic option for those who wish to stay in Jamaica indefinitely. To qualify, you need to have lived in Jamaica for a minimum of 3 to 5 continuous years. Now don't worry, this isn't as daunting as it sounds. Time spent on a work visa or student visa counts towards this requirement. Yes, you heard it right. The application process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide proof of financial independence, which can be from a pension, investments, or income from outside Jamaica. You'll also need to provide a clean police record, a medical certificate, and proof of your continuous stay. Now let's shift gears and talk about the retirement residency. This is specifically for those who are over the age of 50 and wish to retire in Jamaica. The financial requirements here are slightly different. You'll need to show proof of a steady income of at least $2,000 per month, or have a minimum of $250,000 in investments or savings. The benefits of both these options are enormous. You get to live in a tropical paradise, enjoy the vibrant culture, and have access to excellent healthcare facilities. Not to mention, you'll have the right to work in Jamaica and will be treated the same as any other Jamaican citizen under the law. But remember, while this process may seem a bit overwhelming, you're not alone in this journey. The team at Black Expats and Repats in Jamaica is here to guide you every step of the way. They can provide you with all the necessary information, guide you through the paperwork, and help you navigate any potential roadblocks. Remember, the team at Black Expats and Repats in Jamaica is here to help with your expatriation process. Moving on from the options for those looking to settle down in Jamaica, let's now focus on those who wish to broaden their horizons through education. Yes, you guessed it right, we're talking about the student visa. This visa type is specifically designed for those who have been accepted into an approved educational institution in Jamaica. Whether you're pursuing your undergraduate, graduate, or even a short-term study program, the student visa is your ticket to a life-changing educational journey in this Caribbean paradise. So, what are the requirements for this visa? You'll need to provide proof of your enrollment in the institution, evidence of financial support for the duration of your study, and of course, a valid passport. Remember, the student visa is valid only for the length of your study program, so you'll need to renew it if you plan to extend your studies. The student visa not only allows you to study in Jamaica, but also gives you a chance to immerse yourself in the rich Jamaican culture, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. So, if you're looking to combine education with an unforgettable cultural experience, the student visa is a great option for you. And remember, the team at Black Expats and Repats in Jamaica is here to help you navigate this process, making your move to Jamaica as smooth as possible. In our seventh topic of discussion, one intriguing option we've yet to mention is the marriage visa. It serves as a superb route for those who've encountered more than just a fleeting romance during their Jamaican vacation and have subsequently wed a Jamaican citizen. This visa endows you with the right to live and work in Jamaica, mirroring the perks of permanent residency. Now let's delve into its prerequisites. To procure this visa, a legitimate marriage certificate and validation of your spouse's Jamaican citizenship are necessary. The latter can be a Jamaican passport or a Jamaican citizenship certificate. Upon the procurement of these documents, you're fully prepared to apply. Keep in mind, the Jamaican administration maintains a stringent stance against marriage fraud. Therefore, guarantee that your marriage is authentic and not simply a ploy for residency. The marriage visa serves as a remarkable opportunity for those who've chanced upon love on tropical haven. It lets you perpetuate your love narrative in this picturesque paradise, unencumbered by visa limitations. So, if you're hitched to a Jamaican citizen, perceive this as your gateway to an exhilarating new chapter in Jamaica. So, there you have it, the main visa and residency options for living in Jamaica. We walked you through the tourist visa, perfect for those seeking a short-term stay or vacation. Then, we dove into the work visa and student visa, an incredible option for those looking to bring their knowledge or professional expertise to the vibrant Jamaican workforce. We also explored the permanent residency and retirement residency options. And let's not forget the marriage visa, a wonderful choice for those who have found love on the island. All these options are ideal for those who have fallen in love with the island and wish to make Jamaica their forever home. Each option has its own set of rules and requirements, so it's crucial to understand what fits your situation best. Remember, the journey to moving to Jamaica doesn't have to be daunting. Our team at Black Expats and Repats in Jamaica is here to support you every step of the way. Whether it's for a short holiday, a permanent move, or to enjoy marital bliss, Jamaica has a place for everyone. Reach out to us for help with your move. Until scene 9, one love.